Hi, and welcome to the open house of AP Environmental Science with Mrs. Wrona. That's me. I just wanted to start out by letting you know a little bit about myself and why I love teaching AP Environmental so much. I did not always want to be a teacher. I wanted to be a scientist, and that's what I set out to do, and I did. I became a research specialist at Loyola University, and I worked there for 5 years after getting my undergrad degree at Iowa. And I studied human genetics for my honors. Through my research, I had the opportunity of mentoring a group of high school students from Proviso Math and Science Academy, and they encouraged me to change my career. And they were right. I'm so happy I am a teacher at Lyons Township High School. However, I really did miss being on the forefront and the cutting edge of science in the classroom. So I went back to school again to get my master's in zoology through Miami University. It provided me opportunities to travel to different continents to work with scientists and researchers there, looking at the problems that are facing our world. And I get to bring those experiences back through this course. And it means so much to me to have this opportunity to share those with your children. I know, I have a picture of my family because I know that family is everything. These are your babies. They may not look like babies anymore, just like my two twin 3-year-old boys, but they're still your kids. And I know it's hard being, for a lot of you, parents of seniors who are watching them in this advanced placement course and knowing that next year, maybe off to college. So I want you to know that I'm here for them. This is an advanced placement course, and I am required to teach the AP Central curriculum from cover to cover of the textbook. However, I also know that we are still in high school, so I am here to provide those supports that they wouldn't normally receive at college. As far as grades are determined, this is new for this year. Currently, 100% of the grade is based on summative assessments and 0% is formative assessments. I want you to understand formative assessments will be put in the grade book. Those formative assessments, give snapshots of where your child is at that point in time based on that material, specifically their learning targets that align with the assessment of the summative. So I want to make sure that they're getting that information to be able to make changes and hopefully be prepared for the summative. The grading scale ranges from 100 to 50, not 0 as in previous years. There is no curving, no extra credit, and retakes are allowed on almost all summatives. The highest score stands in this course. In order for a student to be eligible for a retake, they must complete all formatives. So I really want to use that retake option as a backup policy because I want them to make sure going in that they're prepared, especially since we know that there might not be retakes available in college and they have to be ready when that happens. So there is that backup policy, but I'd rather them making sure that they are ready for the actual exam the first time. So how to be successful in this course? This course is designed about engagement. I'm asking every student to be engaged, to listen to question. They need to be doing their readings on their own. They need to be taking notes. They need to complete formative activities on time in order to receive feedback on them. They need to take thoughtful notes during our class discussions, during their readings, and during lectures. They need to get engaged. Environmental science is making the news constantly and on every front, whether it be plate tectonics and earthquakes occurring in one part of the world, down to water quality or air quality. It's constantly making headlines, and it's the thing that we are discussing in this course. So what's looking different this year? Well, as far as I'm concerned, not a lot in the sense of the root and foundation of this course is collaboration. Instead of lab groups, it's breakout rooms. Instead of face-to-face, it's web cameras on, microphones unmuted, people ready to participate. I want to create a safe and productive environment for questions and analysis. So please, if there's a space that you can provide for your child, allowing them to do that, that's fantastic. I strongly encourage their use of virtual backgrounds so that they are not having people walking behind them and getting distracted. Jamboards is another way we're going to collaborate on things. There's simulations and interactives. We're, of course, using AP Central through their formatives as well as Albert.io, another resource afforded to us. So there are so many ways that we're going to be engaged in this curriculum. Finally, if you or your child needs help, please do not hesitate to email me. Please remember the silent W in Wrona, so it's MWRONA at lths.net, just like it appears on the screen. I can offer additional Zoom sessions. There's going to be all kinds of resources on Canvas that are going to step us out by the week and the day what we are doing, but also down to reorganization of modules so that they can see within the unit how things were done. There's the textbook, of course, AP Central and Albert.io as mentioned as well. Please feel free to contact me if you have any questions and sign up for parent-teacher conferences. I look forward to talking to you in person or virtually. Bye.